$35,000 concrete driveway. This is how I priced it. 55 yards of concrete with hot water and calcium, $13,200. It's $240 a yard. Sub price to do grading, forming, and pour, $4,100. This was all new construction, so there was no demo. $300 of dump fees to haul off the extra dirt, and $300 of road base. $1,200 to sub his trailer and his equipment. Brings total expenses to $19,100, profit $15,900. That gives us a 45% gross profit. I aim for 30 to 50% gross profit depending on how far we're booked out. If I'm less than 4 weeks booked out, I aim for 30%. If I'm 4 to 8 weeks booked out, I aim for 40%. If I'm 8 weeks booked out or more, I aim for 50% gross profit. I help contractors get to $100,000 a month. If you're struggling to get leads, comment leads down below. See if I can help.